So just a quick video, probably super echoey in here. If you've seen one of my latest videos, you'll know that I'm in a new studio space setting up, and I'm just here kind of finishing up after building furniture all day and trying to hang these paintings and stuff, which are about 2 meters high. The ceiling's about 4 meters high, so that's a challenge when you're as short as I am. I'm just going to kind of quickly talk about doing YouTube or starting this kind of journey and continuing to make videos when you've got under 100 subscribers. Because just now that's where I'm at. I'm at 94 subscribers, which I'm actually really happy about, to be honest. It's been going up nicely, and I'm just putting content out as and when I get the chance. It was just something to touch on though, that sort of metric of how many subscribers you have, it's a weird vanity thing, and it's definitely something that it held me back initially from starting, because I was like, oh, I'm going to look like a plonker if I say I'm doing this YouTube journey and doing all this content, but actually only have a handful of subscribers. 50 odd subscribers or something is what I had not so long ago. As I'm doing it, I'm realising that it's just fun to create the content and put it out, and if people like it, that's really a bonus. And it's been, so far I've had some good feedback. No doubt I'll get lots of negative feedback as time goes on, but just now I'm really happy with just the process of doing it, and I'm going to see where it takes me. If I end up with 100,000 subscribers, that would be great, but if I stick at 100 subscribers, as long as they're enjoying what I'm doing, I'm going to be happy with that. The idea is to just try and slowly build a following if I can, and find my audience. And that's something that I guess as a creative, it's quite an important thing to look into, is just like, rather than trying to kind of shape whatever it is you do round about a certain audience, unless that's what your target is, unless you have a specific target in mind and you're like, right, I really need to get that target, maybe that's your thing. But for me, it feels a bit more natural just now just to put out the stuff that I'm enjoying doing. Some of it's random, albeit it's like me building furniture in here and setting up a new space, coupled with playing guitar, reviewing random gadgets that I've got. Whatever it is, I'm just sort of putting it out there and seeing what sticks. I don't even know yet what type of content I'm going to enjoy the most. I've obviously got my main YouTube channel, and then a show on there, Guitars, Gadgets and Music Gear, is the main show on it just now. But I will be doing other things, and I may start another channel for other interests that I've got, so that I don't muddy this too much. This is primarily music related, I guess, and writing music and guitar and just all those kind of things in this channel anyway. And I'm enjoying just doing that. And if that brings subscribers, then brilliant, if I can find the audience. But really, I'm just trusting the process really, and just putting stuff out there, and I'm just hoping that the right people who are interested in the kind of things I'm interested in, will eventually follow the channel. So on that note, I'm going to get up the road. It's quite late. I've been here building furniture and messing about all day, so it's probably a good time to get home. And I guess on that note, it would be nice to say, if you are watching this and you're even a wee bit interested in the stuff I'm putting out, if you could subscribe, like, even share the channel, that would be really appreciated.